What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Fantom, guys. We perfectly bounced off our buy zone once again, instantly shot back up into profits. Shows you the bullish strength of our friend FTM. So we're sitting at 301. We're up about 4.3 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.49 billion, 24-hour volume, 2.95 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into, come on, Jax, get it together. Let's get into Fantom. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we wicked down. Look at the strength of Fantom, guys. Bitcoin just had a crash. Ethereum crashed. And Fantom came perfectly down to our buy zone, shot right back up to our take profit zone, right back down to our buy zone. So there were a few trades just right in there. It was a nice juicy trade. And we bounced right back up once again. I haven't closed any of my trade just yet. I'm going to wait for the RSI to come back up to overbought here. Just because I know the strength of Fantom, right? And if we use our, see, look at it, it's just taking off. We can use our Fibonacci. We can go swing high down to swing low. And you can see we're just starting to get back above the golden ratio. So your technical target for this little impulsive wave here would be 355 for our friend FTM. You can see right here, we came down to oversold, right down to the bottom section of the money flow. Boom, bounced perfectly. Fantom, we've just been absolutely crushing it. We just absolutely timed it perfectly with our entry at 210 from our last trade here. And that was a juicy trade of 50%. And now we've been re-entered into our trade once again. I left money in my trade. I'll throw my trade up on the screen. You can see I'm up on my 3x leverage. I'm already up like 40%. With my spot trade as well, I left money in my trade. And with spot trading, it's not going to feel like you have more money in your trade. But if you do the math, you do have more money in your trade because you still have those profits left over, as well as a lower average buy price. All right, so we're going to jump over to the 4 hour time frame. So I had talked about the fact that we were reaching the top section on the MACD. We had multiple rejections off that level, and that's exactly what happened. We got rejected. We saw a retracement, bounced right off our buy zone, which lined up with this previous swing high, and we're back in profits once again. I mean, you're currently up on your trade from our buys, already up 10%. So that's just crazy, guys. And some extremely juicy profits that we've been making with our friend FTM. If we pop over to the daily time frame, guys, you can see we're very, very close to the target of our bull flag. We've had the bullish cross, and we're looking strong to come up and tackle our high here, which is coming in at about 352 for FTM. We basically invalidated this head and shoulders unless we were to get rejected right here and just absolutely shoot downwards, but I don't think that's likely. Even if Bitcoin sees some sell-off, right when Bitcoin turns green, Fantom starts to take off. Like if we look at Bitcoin right now, a tiny little green candle, and we're seeing Fantom just, start to fly, which is just absolutely incredible. So we can see on this chart here as well, we've come up, we got rejected. You can see those wicks where the bulls are trying to push up the price and the bears are like, I don't think so. And now once again, we see the bears trying to push down the price. Look at the green volume, guys. Look at the strength of the bulls. The bears try to push the price down, the bulls push it right back up. So it's just so much bullish momentum for Fantom right now. It's incredible. And we've just been absolutely crushing it trading. We made a 70% trade right here. We made a 50% trade, and now we're once again in a 10% trade. So that's the power of the DCA strategy and the power of Fantom, honestly, guys. So our next take profit zone is 346. And then I'll actually drop in some new take profit zones here just because that's a large gap. So what you do, take your Fibonacci previous swing high down to the swing low. So right in this area, 346 previous all-time high, and about 356 is the 1.618. And then I'm just going to drop in the 2 extension as another take profit zone here for our friend FTM, which is coming in at about $3.80. So we'll quickly write TP zone here. All right, guys, we'll give it a little price target as well. And it's coming in, about $3.82 for our friend FTM. All right, guys, our first entry was 268. So our buy zones 232, 191, 155, 115. I have one all the way down here at about 57 cents. Guys, if you want early access to these DCA charts for many projects, Join the Discord where I'm posting them regularly, and whenever I'm not making a video, you can find the DCA chart here in the Discord. It's the price of a coffee, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto. All right, guys, if you want to trade Fantom with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. I have a full length tutorial on how to trade with leverage. Trade at your own risk. Spot trading, it's a no-fail strategy because basically we're buying the dip, equal amounts at each buy zone, drops your average price halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, double your margin, and you ride the slingshot back up. We'll give our price targets for Fantom going forward. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. Watch for a double top. If we come up here and we create a second top, we get rejected. Do keep an eye on that because it's a bearish pattern. And if you see Bitcoin start to continue its downtrend, then that pattern could play out. That's where I'll most likely take half my position, is right at that previous swing high, because that's mostly likely where we're going to hit some resistance for FTM. So our bull run target's 592, and I don't see Fantom having any problem reaching $10 if we see Bitcoin go to 150, 100 or 150k. Wow, mana just absolutely exploded. We have our DCA strategy for mana as well. Maybe I'll make a video on mana today. But that's basically it for Fantom, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to join the Discord. 350 USD, you really can't beat it, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.